Hi everyone, my name is Visakha. So today I wanted to talk to you about something that might sound a bit fancy at first, but I promise it's actually super useful in our everyday lives. Yup, it's calculus. Now don't start yawning just yet. I promise I won't bore you to death with complex equations and mind-boggling theorems. Instead, I'll show you how calculus is applied in a field that impacts our environment, environmental engineering. First off, let me quickly explain what calculus is all about. It's basically a branch of mathematics that focuses on change and motion. It helps us understand how things change, flow, and interact with one another. Now you might be thinking, oh, so what? How does that apply to my life? Well, let me tell you. In environmental engineering, calculus plays a vital role in designing systems that helps us conserve our precious resources, make our surroundings cleaner, and improve sustainability. Calculus helps us analyze the behavior of complex systems and make predictions about how they'll change over time. Sounds cool, right? Now let's take a look at a couple of examples to make things more relatable. Ever wondered how engineers measure water flows rate through pipes or channels? Yup, they use calculus. By applying calculus concepts like integration and differentiation, engineers can determine the flow rates and design efficient systems for water supply, water waste treatment, and even stormwater management. They can also predict how water levels in lakes or reservoirs might change due to rainfall or when they'll reach critical levels. Another fascinating application of calculus in environmental engineering is in air pollution modeling. By using differential equations, which are a fundamental part of calculus, engineers can simulate complex air pollution dispersion patterns and identify potential hotspots where pollution levels might go off the charts. These urban layouts, industrial plants, are even considering the impact of emissions from vehicles on our air quality. So you see, calculus isn't just an abstract math subject that we suffer through in college. It has real-world applications, and in the case of environmental engineering, it helps us to make our planet a better place to live in. It allows us to assess, predict, and design systems that protect our environment and conserve our resources. Next time you're solving a calculus problem in class or scratching your head wondering why it's relevant, just remember that you're learning a tool that can make a real impact on our environment and our daily lives. That's all from me. Thank you for listening, and I hope I've given you a new perspective on how calculus shapes our world. Have a great day.
Hello everyone, my name is Ivander and Amei. In here I will explain application of calculus in daily life. In the small town where I reside, the impact of the calculus on my daily life became apparent one day as I planned a trip. Calculating the duration of journey, I anxiously applied calculus concepts such as derivative to gauge the charging speed through the trip. As I stopped a cafe along the way, contemplating the fluctuating price of coffee, I found myself unintentionally delving into integration concept, realizing that the actual price is the sum of the incremental change over time. Upon reaching my destination, budgeting for expenses at various routes brought calculus back into focus. The total cost involved integrating numerous small expenses, reinforcing the idea that calculus should infiltrates and influence decision making in even the most routine aspect of life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Azka Mayriza and I am here to explain about the application of calculus in our life. For the material itself, I pick minimum and maximum function. Okay, we're gonna start right away. The application of maximum and minimum functions, often derived from calculus, is widespread in real life. For instance, in economics, businesses aim to maximize profits or minimize costs to optimize their financial outcomes, while engineers use maximum and minimum functions to design structures that endure the maximum loads while minimizing material usage. In everyday scenarios, these functions are applied in route optimization for navigation system, ensuring the shortest or fastest way taken. In manufacturing, companies use them to optimize production process, maximizing output while minimizing resource consumption. In biology, researchers use this function to model population growth, finding optimal conditions for species survival. Essentially, maximum and minimum functions are powerful tools for optimization, helping find the best solution in a variety of practical situations. Okay, I hope there is nothing wrong in my words, and I think that is all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aisyah Bestari and now I want to explain what is calculus and examples of application in our daily life. So, what is calculus? Calculus is one of the topics in mathematics. This branch of mathematics covers limits, derivative, trigonometric integral, infinite series, and so on. Calculus can be applied in various fields such as science, engineering, and economics. In calculus, the terms calculus principle and calculus fundamental theorem are also known. For the examples, 1 can divide a curve with a series of straight lines. The shorter the straight lines, the closer the group of lines is to the curve. Meanwhile, the fundamental theorem of calculus states that the derivative of the integrals is two opposite operations.